Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin with essential prerequisites and the first actionable steps. Install the NET SDK and open Visual Studio or VS Code, then create an ASP. NET Core MVC project using the MVC template. Once created, scaffold a controller with views and a DB context so you have routes, views, and a data layer. This sets the working structure. Make sure to add entity framework and identity packages now, because they enable data persistence and authentication. This is why we start here, to avoid refactoring. You now implement models and the core data flow. Define POCO classes with data annotations so server-side validation and schema mapping are consistent. Next, configure your DB context and connection string and app settings. JSON, then run migrations so the database matches your models. This prevents runtime mismatches. Once done, create controllers that inject DB context, implement create, read, update, delete actions, and return strongly typed views so the view model contract remains clear and testable. You finish by configuring routing and the middleware pipeline so requests reach the right controllers. Include static files, authentication, and authorization policies as needed. Then, clean up. Add logging, use breakpoints, and inspect network calls with browser dev tools to verify behavior. Finally, deploy to IIS, Azure App Service, or a Docker container and test endpoints with Postman. If something breaks, check the exception details and startup logs first. Misconfigured connection strings and middleware order are the most common culprits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.